Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will first align Chrome and Windows so the search bar can call Chrome reliably. Open Windows settings and make Chrome the default browser. This ensures search results open in Chrome, not another app. Once done, update Chrome via Menu Help about Google Chrome so new features work correctly. Then, reveal the Windows search box on the taskbar. Right-click Taskbar, choose Search. Show search box or icon, because without visibility, you cannot route searches into Chrome. Next, you configure Chrome to accept search input from Windows. Go to Chrome settings and pick your preferred default search engine, because Windows will pass queries to that engine. If you need direct integration, install a lightweight extension that intercepts search intents from the OS. This is required in some Windows versions. Make sure Chrome can handle relevant protocols and intents by approving any handler prompts. This ensures queries forwarded from the Windows search bar open properly and consistently. And finally, verify the flow by typing a web query into the Windows search box and pressing Enter. The result should open in Chrome. If it does not, make sure Chrome is still set as the default browser and that it is up to date. Sometimes Windows resets defaults after updates. If problems persist, disable recently added extensions that may intercept search intents or reset Chrome settings to defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after changing defaults, because Windows often needs a restart to apply protocol routing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.